What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm in the same exact outfit that I was in the video from the last video, but same realm. We're going to be building a Ray Evernham car today. We're going to be building Kasey Kahne's 2007 Charger. Now, it's not my favorite Kasey Kahne paint scheme of all time. His favorite paint scheme was his 2004 to 2007 paint scheme, which had red on the top, white on the sides. But we're going to be creating 2007 paint scheme. If I can find it on here. Yes, there we go. Beautiful. So once again, very simple paint scheme to make. Now obviously we can't use Dodge, so we're going to revert to Ford. Hi. So you're going to go all the way to the right. You're going to keep your base paint, I believe, white. Let's see here. Nope, not the one all the way to the right. Which paint scheme is this? All right, might as well check it out. Yeah, it's definitely not the paint scheme we want. But I think it's this one right here. So I think our top stripe is going to be black. The next two stripes, which is 1 and 2, are going to be maroon. This is a really cool paint scheme to run. We're going to go all the way down to the number 9, just like the Elliott Sadler deal in the last upload. We cannot make the E coming off of the 9, but that is okay. We're going to do what we think looks good. As always, don't forget to put your recommendations for what you guys would like to see us create next on this. And like I've stated before, I would like to ultimately someday host like a lobby where everybody runs a different paint scheme from this series and just rocks it out. So he had black numbers and his fill was white and red. So he had 3 different layers, so black, white, red. But pick a number that looks decent. Truthfully, I don't like the white outline on the white body. Maybe we run with this obnoxious 9. How does it look with the maroon outline? Still not the greatest. Don't mind the kids' background noise. Maybe we go back to the white and see how it looks. Not feeling it. Let's change the rim color to maroon. This is tough because regardless, it doesn't look the greatest. Doesn't look terrible with either. I mean, because it's not ideal, but maybe we'll run with the maroon for right now. So, like I said, very simple paint scheme to make. But he had Dodge in red on the hood, so let's find a red hood decal. We can do Exalta, Ream, Mac Tools, Rico. Rico looks decent. Mac Tools look. Not really a fan of that. So right now we're hanging on Rico. Lumar. I feel like the red in the Lumar is too light. Then again, we can change the red of the car to this one. But I like the deeper maroon, just being honest. So we're going to throw Lumar out the window. We keep going down, and that is about it. You're obnoxious, kid. So we're gonna run Rico on the side. He had the UAW on the side, very large and white. We're gonna try to run a white that fits in there. Let's run Eris. Rear quarter panel. See, this is where it's a struggle because on his hood, the Dodge was red because the hood was white, and on the side the Dodge was white because the recorder panel was a different color. So let's see how it looks putting. You guys really enjoy being in the videos, don't you? You love running around while Dad's here. We're gonna run Rico on the side, deck lid. His deck lid was actually red, and he ran white lettering, so let's see if we can find red lettering for the white deck lid, because it's not gonna be spot on. We'll run the Mac tools up there, and on the rear, we're gonna run whatever we think looks great. Throw something in the mix here, maybe run Tunity. But there it is. I mean, that's simple. Let's go back to the white number fill. Look at that. I mean, it wasn't the way that the car was, but maybe we do a white fill, the black number. Run it this way. I don't know. Honestly, I want you guys to comment down below with what ones you guys think looks the best. I think I'm gonna keep the black, but we're gonna run the maroon. Man, I don't know. This is tough. Hey, don't you touch that Xbox, boy. Yeah, we're gonna run the maroon. So there we are, guys. Those of you that are Kasey Kahne fans know this paint scheme. Obviously, he ran a Dodge, which kind of sucks that we can't use the Dodge. I wish Dodge was still back running in NASCAR, but unfortunately that's not the case. So let me know what you guys think. We're getting to kind of into some paint schemes to where like you get what I'm creating here, but it's not like as close as some of the other ones. But ideally, like Kasey Kahne concept, I guess we can do the traditional all red Kasey Kahne paint scheme as well, so you guys can see that. Which on this one we're gonna run. Why did I do that? With the black there. So he did, I don't really think he ran red wheels on the solid. Yep, that's Dad's ball. That's baseball from when he was playing baseball. So he did run red wheels, which, okay, more power to him. Personally, if I were to do this paint scheme and I was gonna do the solid, I'd be torn between doing that and doing just black. Personal preference thing, I think the black looks good, looks subtle. Now obviously if you guys are going to be doing this paint scheme, you're going to want to try to run as much white as you can here. Let's see here, we're just going to throw this together real quick for you guys. Let's run Eris, run something not Eris on the side, we'll run Brandt. We'll run Eris back on the quarter panel.
Daddy, what's that?
That's a cord. On the deck lid, we'll run something white. We'll run this. And in the back, fuck it, we'll keep Tunity. So right there is Kasey Kahne's rookie car. And if you really wanted to get testicle about it, you can throw the maroon wheels back on the car and run it this way. Anyway, guys, drop your suggestions down below. Join us on our journey to 10,000 subscribers. I'll see you guys in the frickin' next one. Later.